Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to reset OneDrive. Let's have a look now. To reset OneDrive, start by opening the OneDrive application on your computer. Click on Settings. Navigate to the Account tab. To reset OneDrive, click on Unlink This PC. This action will disconnect the current account from the OneDrive application on your computer. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to unlink this PC. Confirm the action and OneDrive will no longer be associated with the current account. After unlinking, you can relink OneDrive. You can relink OneDrive by signing in again. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.